Good morning, everyone. I hope y'all are having an amazing day. So today we're outside, and I'm on my deck, and I'm about to plant out some my new raspberry green stalk. This is a 3-tier that I got from Green Stalk, and I got it during the current Mother's Day sale. If you have not got your green stalk and you're thinking about doing it, make sure you go ahead on and check out Green Stalk. I'll make sure I put I will link them in this video, but make sure you check them out, and you can get you a vertical green stalk for a great price right now, up until May 11th. They do have sales throughout the year, but this is the biggest sale of the year for Mother's Day. So anyway, we're going to be planting out some Roma bush beans, and they look like this because one fell. Now this is because this is a 10-inch deep pocket, you can actually plant 3 beans per one. So I'm going to actually plant 3 of these per row, I'm actually going to put them on top so I can just go and mush them down, but I'm going to plant 3, I'm going to put them like this a little bit further back. I'm going to plant 3 per pocket, and I'm only going to do the, what is this? I'm only going to plant these in the first 2 bottom tiers, because the top tier, I want to put some flowers in there. I would like for my top tier to have, I have some large, what are these called? Zinnias that I want to put up top. And so I'm going to save my top tier for my large zinnias. Now, I do not have a spinner on this one. I wish I would have, but you see how easy that is just to rotate it. So if you cannot get a spinner right now, it's okay. You can always add one later. I didn't start off with spinners. Actually, I did. But I always got the ones with the wheel. So, you know, but for these, I would just prefer a spinner and not a wheel base. So I'm not adding any fertilizer to these either. I'm just putting these in the soil. I don't really fertilize beans. So, and I've never had an issue except last year. I did not have a good bean harvest last year. It sucked. So I'm trying my best to get a lot of beans this year, and we'll see. So then I'm just going to push them down, and I push them down to about right there, because they don't need to be, you don't want them deeply covered, but you want them covered enough. It's supposed to rain today. Now, it was like 70% chance of rain. Now we're at no rain, so I am going to water this stuff in, because we're not going to get any rain. But it is chilly outside today, and we're May 2nd. And we're 58 degrees. The low today here in zone 8A where I live is 42. So, you know, these cold temps, these low dropping temps, it's insane. I don't understand what's going on and why we're still dropping these low temps. But you just do what you can do. You deal with what you can deal with, and you move on. You don't take the good with the bad and the ugly. And that's what gardening is all about. It's therapeutic, as well as you're going to have a lot of highs and a lot of lows. And you just have to learn how to learn from your lows. So I'm actually done sticking all those in. And again, these are the Roma 2 bush beans. I'm going to make a label and put it out here. These take 55 days to mature. So, and I just felt a speck of water. So we'll see. I'll give it to later on this evening before. I might not even water these in today. I might water them in tomorrow. Because, again, the temperature is supposed to drop tonight into the 40s. And I want these to thrive. So, and the soil, it dropped last night into the 40s, and the soil is still a good temperature. So we'll see. But anywho, that's all I have for y'all. I hope y'all have an amazing day, and I will see y'all in the next video.